During a solo hike in the dense forest, I stumbled upon an old, abandoned train track. As I walked along it, I heard the unmistakable sound of a train approaching, even though the tracks had clearly been out of use for years. The ground beneath me began to vibrate, and I could see the trees swaying as if disturbed by an unseen force. I looked around, but there was no train in sight. Suddenly, a chilling breeze swept through, carrying with it the faintest sound of a steam engine's whistle. I ran back to my car, and when I checked the local history, I discovered that a tragic train accident had occurred on that very track decades ago, claiming the lives of many.